Hello and welcome to Baatcheet with Cafe Mutual. Today we have one of our Sanjeevni Awards winner, MFD Varshali from Degree 212 Investment Services. Welcome to the show, Varshali.
Thank you.
How are you doing?
I'm doing well. Fantastic.
So, how did you feel after winning the Sanjeevni Awards?
The feeling cannot be explained because team is also here, and this really made feel special, and especially for the kind of category we had been chosen is pretty close to our heart, and we've really worked very hard for it.
That's great. So, let's start Baatcheet session. Considering the popularity of direct plan platforms and influencers, how can MFD deal with direct plan platforms and influencers?
Uh, Having the access of information is always good, even through social media, influencers. That is important. But at the same time, it is important for an investor to understand what is that suits his or her needs. So, we as MFDs, financial advisors, we always make it a point to figure out KYC, know your client. So, that is an important part of suggesting the portfolio and the product basket. So, yes, having information is always good. So, because there is information access, at least people have basic information as to how investment tools are working. So, yes, it is important. But at the same time, customization, that is a skill, and that only happens when we do know your client very well. That's important. And we have had experiences wherein a couple of clients chose a direct plan over a period of time, but then they realized the importance of coming back to the MFD and getting the curated opinion, and they did come back. So yes, that's how it is. Information is good, but curating that information, that skill set is something which creates the difference in the client's life.
So, in this rapidly evolving financial advisory and distributor landscape, what piece of advice would you give to aspiring MFDs looking to thrive in this industry in India?
Important is to understand various technology which is available, various platforms, because that actually propels your progress, your knowledge, your understanding, your span, your reach increases, and also it provides a scalability. So, taking help of digital platforms is really important at this moment. So, yes, that is what MFDs need to do. And secondly, um, having a team and training them, especially on service side, because that is the biggest differentiator right now. So that is also something which the new MFDs need to look at. Having a very well-trained team, it's important.
So, today's expectation of investors has really gone up. They need everything on their fingertips. How can an MFD match their expectation in terms of technology, support services to today's clients?
So as I said earlier, having technological know-how is really important, and it should be embedded with the website, the applications, the app. MFDs can develop the app also, and through which this technological know-how should be taught to the client. The ease and the user-friendly platform which are available, that would really bring a lot of difference. And as far as services are concerned, as I said, there are many CRM platforms are also available. If MFDs can make use of it as a corporate outfit, so CRM really gives a line of as to what are the service requirements. If there is a kind of repetition of the service requirements, how I can use various tools to cater to those service requirements which are repeated. AI can be used to enhance your communication with the clients. That brings finesse. That also brings uniformity. Whether your service operations person is talking to the client, or I am talking to the client, or a relationship manager is talking to the client, there is one language, one ingredient, and uniformity in my conduct and communication with the client. So this is pretty critical.
So, the last one is, how are Cafe Mutual events adding value to your life?
I had been avid, admirer of Cafe Mutual, since beginning, and this actually provided me a lot of information when I used to conduct training programs for backend team support team for AMCs. So I used to, all the information which used to come through Cafe Mutual used to form a part of my presentation and my training programs. And also there are so many success stories. And like Cafe Mutual Sanjeevani Award, that is one example. It is going beyond the peripherals of AUM, the number games. It is quality over quantity. And you're actually giving access to so many beautiful stories which MFDs, are able to narrate, and it is an extremely inspiring platform. So it's beautiful to read and resonate with these stories coming from all the nook and corners of India.
Well, Vaishali, that was a wonderful session. Thank you so much for speaking at Baatcheet with Cafe Mutual. And once again, congratulations to you and your team for winning Sanjeevani Awards.
Thank you so much. Paishan.
That's all for today's episode of Baatcheet with Cafe Mutual. Stay tuned for more such interesting stories.